As we continue to navigate a world with a pandemic, we are faced with situations that require more frequent COVID testing before engaging in activities again. Unfortunately, test centers cannot keep up with the demand, are expensive, and high infection risk zones. The world is looking for low-cost and scalable test solutions with instant certifiable results. Well, now we can. Introducing HealthMatriX Ai-Med-Cert-C, an artificial intelligence-backed home self-test monitoring mobile application to verify and certify test results with valid COVID health certificates at home and office. The great news? This is not just an app, but proven pandemic management and alert system to stop the spread of infectious viruses, ready for national deployment. To start your test, simply open the Matrix iPass-Patriot app and then click on the Self-Test option. Now choose a family member or yourself. The next steps are to prevent fraudulent activities by users. Start user verification by face recognition and showing a valid government ID card in front of the mobile camera. And register the COVID self-testing kit by scanning the QR code. Now, the most crucial part, proceed with COVID self-test video recording. Don't move out of the camera grid. Place the test cassette in front of the camera for 10 minutes. Don't move the cassette out of the camera view. Come back once the app will sound an alarm. And show that result in front of the camera. Done! Our artificial intelligence computer will detect and determine the result and issue a valid COVID health certificate, which will be displayed as a QR code on the app or can be printed. Proprietary technology is used to issue trustworthy and fraud-proof health certificates, such as cutting-edge user authentication, validation of genuine test kit, smart test kit tracking, Why wait? Download the Matrix iPass-Patriot app today and start getting the COVID test results you need faster. We are compliant and certified to meet strict cybersecurity and data privacy protection standards. For more information, visit HealthMatrix.ai or contact our partner, LionGuard Medical, at info@lionguardmedical.com.